Ceasefire agreement between India and Pakistan. Karachi Agreement 1949. Agreement between military representative of India Pakistan regarding the establishment of ceasefire line in the state of Jammu and Kashmir agreed under the auspices of United Nations Commission for India and Pakistan, aimed at establishing a mutually agreed ceasefire line in Jammu and Kashmir. CFL about 830 kilometers in length with proper geographical demarcations. Tashkent Declaration 1966. Result of the 1965 Pakistan-India War. Two sides agreed to settle their differences through peaceful means, to discourage hostile propaganda, to repatriate prisoners of war, and to restore normal diplomatic relations. Shimla Agreement 1972, signed in the wake of 1971 India-Pakistan War, more than a peace treaty and a comprehensive blueprint for good neighborly relations. Agreed for a set of guiding principles: respect for each other's territorial integrity and sovereignty, non-interference in each other's internal affairs, respect for each other's unity, political independence, sovereignty, equality, etc. Sought to curb the international involvement, put the future discussion on dispute on a strictly bilateral footing, agreed to establish LOC based on positions held by armed forces of India and Pakistan at the time of fighting ended, ceasefire in December 1971. Suchetgarh Agreement 1972, to delineate LOC in Jammu and Kashmir, series of meetings held in Suchetgarh and Bagha after Shimla Agreement. Joint statement issued by both sides after discussion between DGMOs agreed to address the core issue and concern which have the propensity to disturb peace and lead to violence. Achieving mutually beneficial and sustainable peace along the borders, strict observance of all previous agreements, understandings and cease-firing along the LOC and all other sectors, effective from the midnight of February 24, 25, 2021. DGMOs should arrive at a set of rules to govern the ceasefire agreed by February CFA and continue the ceasefire with parallel bilateral talks.